Eagle 1, strap yourself in.
Remember, we control the enemy sky now.
Certain reports say the enemy is working on a secret UAV program. They call them Shadows. Your mission is clear. Scan the mountains and report any suspicious activity.
We have reports that enemy aircraft have taken off from a carrier. The mission is simple. Fly the UAV below the mountain range to stay hidden from enemy aircraft and radar. Do not, I repeat, do not fly too high. The enemy may see you. It's a game of balance. Let us chase the eagle like a shadow.
Shasta teacher. Everything for us is man. I was a flare as his and runs it. First, my thing, I'm your pilot, and cut with the clear airspace. You're under Shasta teacher. Everything for us is man. I was a flare as. First, my thing, I'm your pilot, and cut with the clear airspace. You're under Shasta teacher. Everything for us is man. I was a flare as his and runs.